He was shot dead in cold blood, and 48 hours after anti-superstition activist Narendra Dabholkar was killed in Pune, police has managed to make absolutely no headway in the investigation. In fact, police is now examining the CCTV footage for more clues, even releasing the sketch of the murderer. But how long will it be before justice prevails in this case?
2 days after the cowardly murder of the man who fought for reason, there is still no headway in Dr. Narendra Dabholkar's murder probe.
While the investigation into the murder of Dr. Narendra Dabholkar went on at a feverish pitch on Wednesday, it yielded no result. The police claimed to have some leads, but none of it proved to be concrete enough to provide for a breakthrough. Meanwhile, it was the Maharashtra cabinet that approved an ordinance on the anti-superstition bill in an attempt to quell criticism for its inability to protect the lives of thinkers like Dr. Dabholkar.
A sketch of the man who was driving the motorcycle used in the crime has been released. Sources say the police are examining CCTV footage from a nearby bridge and adjoining areas for clues. But the tone of the last threat to Dr. Dabholkar has put the suspicion on right-wing groups.
जो फंडामेंटलिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज रिलीजन का स्ट्रॉन्ग अपोजिशन रहता है, और वो अपोजिशन मेरे पिताजी ने भी बहुत बार उनको उस तरह की थ्रेट्स आई थी, उनके प्रोग्राम्स डिस्टर्ब करने की कोशिश हुई थी। तो ये एक मन में बहुत ज़्यादा शंका रहती है कि ये इसके पीछे रह सकता है।
Even the ruling Congress-NCP alliance in Maharashtra is pointing at an ideological rivalry behind Dr. Dabholkar's murder.
Mr. Dabholkar is having nothing rivalry regarding any money, land or any property. He is having rivals of his own ideology. And this killing happened because of that ideology. Earlier some people in the Azad Maidan said, we will make him next Gandhi.
Yet the right-wing groups who hated Dr. Dabholkar for his views are making insensitive comments even over his death.
These two sentences, everybody gets full of its karma, is a Hindu spiritual theory, and irrespective of whether what you believe or what late Dabholkar believed, a person has a right to say that everybody gets fruit of his karma.
I am really appalled that a comment like this should be even allowed on television, because A, you're bringing religion into it. He was not anti-religion, he was anti-superstition. It was not about religion. Now you're giving Hinduism a bad name by bringing in theories of karma and so on, and almost justifying the action, saying he asked for it and this is the fruit of his karma. What does that mean? It's a very loaded statement.
But what's equally shocking is the fact that it has taken the brutal muzzling of a crusader for the government to wake up. The question over why the government failed to protect Dr. Dabholkar when he was under threat will continue to haunt. Bureau Report, Times Now.